Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing Article 295 or robbery with physical injuries committed in an uninhabited place and by a band or with the use of firearm on a street, road, or alley. Article 295 enumerated those circumstances na magpapataas sa penalty ng robbery to the maximum period, or ito yung mga tinatawag nating aggravating circumstances. In this case, it is considered as special aggravating circumstance. Tataas yung penalty sa maximum period at hindi siya pwede ma-offset ng ordinary aggravating circumstance. Thus, the penalty shall be imposed in the maximum period if the robbery is committed first, in an uninhabited place. Second, by a band. I-discuss natin to kung ano ang band sa next article or Article 296. Third, by attacking a moving train, streetcar, motor vehicle, or aircraft. Fourth, by entering the passengers' compartments in a train or in any manner taking the passengers thereof by surprise in the respective conveyances. Or fifth, on a street, road, highway, or alley, and the intimidation is made with the use of firearms. Yung mga aggravating circumstances na na-mention natin is applicable sa other circumstances of robbery with physical injuries at simple robbery. Kailan naman hindi applicable itong article na ito? Article 295 does not apply in cases of robbery with homicide, robbery with intentional mutilation, robbery with rape, robbery with arson, robbery with serious physical injuries resulting in insanity, imbecility, impotency, or blindness. Pag present yung mga aggravating circumstances dito, considered lang siyang ordinary aggravating circumstance, but not as a special aggravating circumstance. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.